Today I would like to introduce our smart module K-Series. Integrate with Bluetooth Matter DALI 0 to 10 TRIAC push dim relay on off. We can put this smart module into different wallbox like Asian type, US type, Europe type. So we can transfer the traditional switches into smart, like the on-off switch, reset switch, even normal sockets. Also, we can combine with the Bluetooth wireless remote to control the lighting with different group. Our smart Bluetooth gateways can realize more functions: lighting scenes, automation, customized by client's needs. Here we also have the Bluetooth signal converter, convert Bluetooth to DALI, DMX 0 to 10, and face cut. We have the different global certification like UL, ROSE, CE, FCC, SRRC, and RED. Welcome to contact us for more inquiries. Ltech Top 1 Enterprise for International Lighting Global Solutions.